What is cultured marble? Uses, benefits and best places to use it in your home. Dear friends, cultured marble is a man-made surface material created by blending natural marble dust with resins and pigments. This mixture is molded into specific shapes and finished with a smooth gel coating, giving it the elegant look of natural marble at a more affordable cost. One of the biggest advantages of cultured marble is its uniform appearance. Unlike natural marble, it has no random cracks or color variations, which makes it ideal for homeowners who prefer a clean and consistent finish. Another key benefit is low maintenance. The non-porous surface resists stains, moisture, and mildew, making it much easier to clean compared to natural stone. Regular wiping with mild soap and water is usually enough to keep it looking new. In homes, cultured marble is most commonly used in bathrooms. It works perfectly for vanity tops, wash basins, and wall panels because it handles moisture very well and gives a seamless, luxurious appearance. Cultured marble is also suitable for shower walls and bathtub surrounds. Since it can be molded into large panels, it reduces joints and grout lines, which helps prevent water seepage and mold growth. In some houses, cultured marble is used for kitchen countertops, window sills, and decorative wall cladding. However, it should be protected from excessive heat to avoid surface damage. In conclusion, cultured marble is a practical and stylish option for modern homes. It offers the beauty of marble, easier maintenance, and versatile applications, especially in bathrooms and moisture-prone areas. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.